Chi-Chi, this is what happened, but you weren't here so you missed it. Honey, can you believe our little baby bathead Chi-Chi made it his 14 years today?
I can't believe I haven't sprained him.
Happy birthday, Chi-Chi! Alright, so the day we're filming this is April 9th, and that's Chi-Chi's birthday, aka Verdell, aka TT. What are his other names? Cheech. He's got about 5,000 different names, as does Puppy over here, aka Flash, and Pupson. But it's not Pupson's birthday, but you know whose birthday it is as you're watching this, which would be April 10th? Why, none other than Hanley U.S. 31 years old today. They say it's your birthday. Do-do-do-do. Hope that wasn't copyrighted. I did such a crappy cover of it, I doubt they would ever nail me for it. So, but Hanley, I got you something for your birthday. I know you really like these. The bananas. Enjoy. Hope your birthday's awesome today. Enjoy. Honey, say happy birthday, Hanley.
Happy birthday, Hanley.
Yeah. Alright, so we went to ShopRite today and it was awesome. And not like Easter candy awesome. It was like really, really good stock up and save items. Alright, let's begin over here. I didn't put everything out, but I put most of it out. The Arizona iced tea. Oh my god, the Arnold Palmer 0 calorie half and half. That was $1.99. The Cheerios peanut butter. Oh, $1.99. You know this is usually $4 and change for the tiny box, so that was a fantastic buy. I got 4 of those. The Rienzi pasta, so-so buy for 99 each. Got 4 of those. I got about 12 of the Colana spaghetti sauce, because guess how much it was, kids? You know I bought it for 88 before, but today it was 77 cents. How can you pass it up without like backing up the truck and filling it up? Batteries, because you never know when the electricity is going to go out, and especially with the summer coming up, you want to make sure that you got some batteries on hand. So these were, what were those, $1.99, honey?
I think so, yeah.
$1.99 for 4 D cells. That's hot. Here's the bargain of the day, though. The Ajax toss-ins, 20 loads per bag, 3 bags for $4. That's incredibly hot. This is something that we're trying new. I think Maddie's really going to like this when she comes back. I love the brand Gardein. They have the best fake meats. So this is brand new, lightly breaded turkey cutlet with home-style gravy. One thing that I absolutely hands down miss being a vegetarian is turkey, because my dad would always make turkey for my birthday every year before I became vegetarian, and it's like pretty much my favorite meat if I ate meat. So for them to have the turkey cutlets now, this is top shelf. The Greek yogurt by ShopRite, 88 cents. Excellent. Any price under $1 is excellent for Greek yogurt. And I eat that every morning with my 27 almonds. I got some Carolina long grain and wild rice to mix with some basmati to have with the turkey cutlets tonight. Should be a fabulous post-Easter dinner. And Dole unsweetened pineapple juice, not from concentrate. That wasn't on sale, but thanks everybody for asking about Sean. He's doing a little better every day, but holistically, pineapple juice is supposed to help his situation, so we'll see. We'll keep you informed. So we're going to give it a shot. We got a 6-pack. Alright, so those turkey cutlets look like winners. I don't want to touch that. It's really hot. Just don't dump it. Just let me know what you think of that. Wild rice looks amazing. Got the usual fixins, some broccoli. The turkey cutlets even came with gravy, and I absolutely love that. Leftovers from yesterday, the turnips and the cheesy potatoes. What'd you think of the turkey cutlets?
Just like Thanksgiving.
What? Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, Maddie's gonna love that. Thanks, honey. Hey, Chi-Chi. Did you have a good day today? Yeah, I guess it was okay. Alright, so I just filmed my Dancing with the Stars, and Homer was a total jerk to me, as usual. It's cold in New York, too. Freezing. I don't think winter's over yet, even though it's spring. But I'm going to cuddle up with my Chi-Chi now. Right, Chi-Chi? We're going to enjoy the last hour of your birthday tonight. Good boy. Until next time, much love.